Here is a table summarizing recommendations on how to change harmful vocal habits. Healthy voice habits and alternatives will also be introduced. Rather than screaming, yelling, or talking loudly using a tiger voice, it is better to use a cat voice. A cat's voice is speaking at a normal intensity or volume. When we use a cat's voice, the vocal cords move and vibrate gently as they should. When we use a tiger's voice, this is what happens to the vocal cords. Instead of whispering, use a mouse voice. Using a mouse voice means speaking at a reduced intensity or a lower volume. When you whisper, this is what happens to your vocal cords. You see, the vocal cords don't move like they should. When we use a mouse voice, the vocal cords move gently and vibrate as they should, while allowing us the lower volume of our voice. Rather than coughing or clearing your throat, take a sip of water or swallow with effort. When you saw the ENT, he or she saw nodules on your vocal cords. Those are little bumps. When you cough or clear your throat, the vocal cords hit each other with a lot of force. If you keep doing this, the bumps may get bigger. It may be even more difficult to make them disappear. Instead of talking to someone in another room of the house, go up to the person and be at an arm's length away to speak to them. This way, it will be easier for you to use your cat voice instead of speaking loudly using a tiger voice. Rather than shouting during sports activities, when participating in them or when cheering on a team, use gestures or a loud body instead. Here are a few examples of gestures you could use. You could clap your hands or wave your hand to give your teammates attention.